Hello, and welcome to my channel. I have an extremely exciting marketing technique to share with you that just gained me over 1000% return on investment today. As you can see on my screen, I made over $9,000 in one day. Anyone can use this technique, all you need is a mobile phone and the will to make money. I'm going to walk you through the process from beginning to end. So let's go.
Cha-ching!
Let's dive in. First thing you need to do is go ahead and go to clickbank.com and sign up for an account. Once you have completed your profile, you want to search for a product to sell. As you can see, there are several different categories to choose from. I'll go in depth on how to choose the best product in my next video. Now once you have chosen the product you are going to sell, you are going to generate your hop link. This link is how you make money. Every time someone clicks on this link and purchases the product, you earn a commission from the sale. Since the hop link is kind of long, we are going to shorten it so that it is easy to fit inside of your text message. So we are going to hop over to tinyurl.com and shorten it. You will now take your new shortened URL and paste it somewhere like Notepad or Word. Now it is time to start texting. Did you know text messaging has a 98% open rate? Which means just about everyone that receives your text will open it. This is what makes this method so effective. By now you should have your list of numbers you want to send your text to. So you have a choice: you can send them one by one, which is incredibly time-consuming, or in bulk. My advice is to send them in bulk. There are several systems that you can use, but most of them can be very costly, especially if you are sending a large amount of text per day. I was able to find a bulk text messaging app, where I purchased it for a one-time fee. And aside from my already monthly phone bill, there are no other charges. I am able to send up to 30,000 texts a month with no limit on my wording. This app only works on Android phones. So since I have an iPhone, I just purchased a burner phone for $30. This works out perfect, because now I'm not using my personal phone. And I have a separate phone number that I can use for my affiliate marketing and any other SMS marketing I want to do. Here's a quick tip. Have you ever received one of those mass text messages where you're like, this is obviously spam? We've all gotten that before, and we ignore those messages, and we say to ourselves, I don't know this person. That's why we're going to personalize it by adding their name to the text. This app also allows you to personalize your messages, giving them a friendlier feel. If you are interested in this app, I'm going to leave the link in description box below. Now, the only thing left for you to do is to send those texts and watch the money start rolling in. Just follow the steps to this technique and you will be making money in no time. Comment below and let me know what you think. Also hit the subscribe button so you can receive more step-by-step tips on how to make money. And as always, thank you for tuning in.